Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and today I'm going to talk about something that I said I wouldn't. I just need to get this out of the way because I keep getting questions on why I'm not into cryptocurrencies, why I don't like cryptocurrencies, and I am going to get a lot of hate on this video because I believe crypto is the biggest pyramid scheme that we've ever seen. In 2021, crypto is going to have an explosive year. The reason why I say that is this. In 2020, the Fed artificially injected a lot of liquidity into the market. So in 2020, you had new investors get into the market, you had your normal retail, you had your institutional, and now you have artificial money being pumped into the market through stimulus. So all while this is happening behind the scenes, the US dollar is getting devalued as we speak. As time goes on, the dollar is going to keep getting devalued. And so why does that make crypto such a beautiful opportunity in 2021? Well, because there's so much artificial liquidity in the market right now, what's most likely going to happen is once there becomes this point where now you can't get any more money back into the market, markets look way too overvalued, people want to find somewhere else to invest their money, they're going to hedge against inflation, and that's where you get gold. So most people have been buying gold recently to hedge against inflation. There's another way to hedge against inflation, and that's through Bitcoin or crypto. So I want to show you guys something. China owns $1.06 trillion, second to Japan, with $1.27 trillion worth of US debt. And that is about 35% of the outstanding total. And what's happening in the US right now? Debt seems to keep going higher and higher and higher as more money keeps getting printed and printed and printed. And those of you keen investors might have already realized Warren Buffett investing into the Japanese economy. Maybe this has something to do with it. I don't know. He's the greatest investor of all time, and he seems to think Japan's going to do very well. Anyway, back to why I brought this up. So because China owns so much of US debt, that is going to put currencies at a bidding war. Is the US dollar really the gold standard? Maybe it's the Chinese yuan. Maybe we start looking at the Chinese yuan as our top dog, and we're looking at this as our top currency. But people don't want China to succeed in that sense. They don't want China to have that power. Insert cryptocurrency, insert Bitcoin. Why don't we use Bitcoin as the gold standard for currency? As 2021 comes along, this debate is going to get even more accelerated, and I feel like this is when you're going to see those insane returns in crypto. Bitcoin was meant for the people. When there's a higher demand for Bitcoin, it's going to get better and it's going to grow. So in 2021, when you start hearing about inflation, when you start hearing about the devaluing of the dollar, when you start hearing about other currencies potentially taking the throne, Bitcoin is going to be that shiny object that all the liquidity that was in the market that wants to pull out is going to rush there, and people are going to want to put their money somewhere. That's just the society we live in, and I personally believe, this is just an opinion, so hate me if you want, but don't shoot the messenger. This is my bold prediction for 2021. I think cryptos are going to go higher and they're going to have new all-time highs because this stimulus and this devaluing of the dollar is only going to accelerate. And because China owns so much of the US debt, you're going to try to deflect any sort of Chinese yuan being the top dollar to something else, and that something else is going to be a crypto, in my opinion. If I'm saying crypto is going to do so well, why do I think it's a pyramid scheme? Because at the end of the day, I don't see us living in a society where government gives the people control. I just don't see that happening anytime soon. So let's say everything that I said does come true and we are sitting at all-time highs for cryptocurrency. What is the next move for cryptocurrency? People are going to be looking at it like where are we supposed to go from here now? Like, who has the control? And I think this controversy, this spark is going to create so much misinformation, so much fear around crypto, where crypto is just going to crumble. There isn't enough backing of this security to know who really has the control, who runs the regulations for Bitcoin. And when those discussions start coming up to the forefront, when crypto starts becoming more mainstream, is when I believe crypto is going to crash like a rock, like all the way down to bikini bottom. I think the crash is going to happen quick. I think we're going to be going crazy in 2021. People are going to be flooding in. Everyone's going to be telling their grandparents, anybody, hop into crypto, hop into Bitcoin. And you're going to see a surge of investors. You're going to see a surge of liquidity hopping into Bitcoin. And then in a blink of an eye, I think this is going to drop so fast. And a lot of people who went into the stock are going to lose a lot of money. With a pyramid scheme, people still do make money, and I think there's still a lot of money to be made in crypto. Because I'm not personally wanting to invest in something that's so uncertain, so volatile, doesn't mean you shouldn't, nor does it mean you're not going to make money. You are probably going to make a lot of money if you invest into crypto today. When people are willing to put money into it, it will grow, and I know people are willing to put money into it. Again, I could be completely wrong. Cryptos could tank, or cryptos could go to the moon and they never drop again, but this is just my opinion. My name is Dummy Boy, so don't listen to what I'm saying. This is just a little rant that I had, why I think cryptocurrencies are a huge pyramid scheme, and there will come a day where they crash. Are in crypto. Good luck to you guys. You guys are going to make a lot of money, in my opinion, in the next little bit. Enjoy it while you can, but please be safe in your trading. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate on this video, but it is what it is. I just wanted to get my opinion out there so I can look back in a couple of years and see what I talked about and see if it played out. It's just one of my predictions, and it gives me something to look forward to. So if you guys did like this video, give this a like, because I know it's going to get a whole lot of dislikes. But this is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy. I'll see you guys in the next one.